learn how to count by ones. On our 9 weeks test, we were counting, and we all know at least how to count pretty much to 50 by ones. But you can skip count other ways, okay? And by skip counting, I mean you don't count all the numbers, okay? So we're gonna start learning how to count by tens, okay?
I know how to do that.
Okay, we're talking out. That's great, you know how to do it. But you're supposed to raise your hand for permission to speak. Okay, we're gonna learn how to count by tens. Okay, so when we count by tens, we count all the numbers that end in 0. So the number that resets the family, it's always at the top of the house, it ends in 0. Those are the numbers that you count by tens. All the numbers that you count by tens end in 0. Okay, so we're gonna do a little song here to help us with learning how to count by tens. Oop, except it's muted. Why is it muted?
It's muted. I mean, there's no music. That means do it. You have it up.
Oh, it's muted now.
On. You have it up.
Christian. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. That's how you count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. That's how you count by tens.
Can you count from 10 to 100?
Yes, I can. Yes, I can.
How do you count from 10 to 100?
Count by tens. Count by tens.
Can you show me how?
Yes. Count with me. Count with me.
Everybody sing.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. That's how you count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. That's how you count by tens.
Ten,
10,
20,
20,
30,
30,
40,
40,
50,
50.
60,
See how they add another row of 10?
Yes.
70, 80, 80, 90, 90,
100.
100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. That's how you count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. That's how you count by tens. Okay, so did you notice how all the numbers when you count by tens were also the family names? 10, 20, 20's family, 30, 30's family, 40, 40's family, and so on and so forth. So when you count by tens, you're also saying the family names. How cool is that?
Cool.
Okay,
I didn't know that.
so we're counting by tens. We're going to keep working on that. We're going to learn how to count a new coin by tens.
That's tiny.
Okay, so we're going to keep working on that. Okay, real fast. We're going to review the number that comes after. So I I want you to raise your hand if you know the number. We'll start off easy. The number that comes after 13. What's the number that comes after 13? Amelia?
14.
14. I'm going to make these a little bigger so that we can see here. 14. Okay? I'm going to change colors here. Okay. How about the number that comes after 10? Oop, I almost started writing it. Leela?
11.
11. 11 looks like this.
No?
No?
Yeah, no.
What does 11 look like, Christian?
1 and 1.
It's a 1 and a 1, right? Some of you called this number 11 on your test, and that's not the number 11, that's the number 12.
How did you know?
Because you did your test with me. 11. Okay, I'm going to get harder.
No,
You ready?
You
ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna infill all of this.
The number that comes after... Oop, what just
What?
happened?
What happened? There's a way from everywhere.
Okay, what number is this, first off? What number is that? Waylon?
55.
55, right. The first number is a 5. It's in the 50s family. 55. What number comes after 55? Hannah? They go in order.
6.
So it has to be in the 50s family. And what comes after 5? Lois?
56.
56. If you were thinking 56, give yourself a pat on the back. Don't complain because I didn't pick you. Give yourself a pat on the back if that's what you were thinking. Okay, so when does the next family start? What's the last number in the 9th spot when the next family starts? Christian? No. What?
9.
9. Okay, so if we have the number, let's put a new number up here. Oh, let's just erase that one and we'll change it to 59, okay? What number comes after 9? Jaron?
10.
10, okay? So if we did 5
9.
and then a 10, does that look right?
No.
No, because we just jumped from a 2-digit number to a 3-digit number. Okay? Yeah, that's a problem. We can't go 59, 510. That's not how we count.
510.
Okay? So when we have, I don't want the ruler.
Why do you know it has
There we go. Okay, so when we get to the number 9, when we're counting by ones, the next number is 10. But that goes from the ones family to the tens family, right? A new family has started, we start over. So if we are going from 59, we go to 60. A new family has started over.
What?
So 9 is our symbol that we're going to get to the next family. 60s, 40s, doesn't matter what family it is. The 9 is our symbol. We're about to get to a new group of 10. Okay, we're about to start over into a new family. Okay, quick side lesson there. Okay, we'll do one more here.
We have 40 there, so 40. 41.
You ready?
Yeah. We always do. 9.
What's the number that comes next? Gideon?
100.
100. Right.
That's an easy one.
Because what's the number that comes after 9
100.
when we're counting normal? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
10.
10. So with the number 100, we have 10 groups of 10. And how many ones?
2.
Hannah?
10.
How many ones? Amelia?
0.
0. Which technically, we can say we have 10 groups of 10, or we have one group of 100. Okay, because it's 100, right? So we have 100, 0 tens,